too good for you, used to say nothing. So I didn't have to lie, just told you nothing. I used at home, you used to stew when you were home. You sat in your chair, the smell, your eyes, I can tell you've been sipping again. Think about yourself again, by yourself again. And I left. And I left. Almost 20 years later, receive a letter and I still care. You write about your progress and you understand I abandoned you. Well, thank you for understanding, but I don't care if you don't or do. And I left. And I left. I was sincere when I chose my own path. You can change for me, but let's just say bye for now. Let's just say bye for now. Let's just say bye for now.